by now. It's www.htcodathon.com, which is the starting point of our coding journey, and forward we can be really good coders. And then there's a nominal fee of a little more than 500, and depends on, and you can have different workshops that you can go through. Then there is Clevered, which is in association with HT School. So HT School Codathon. So the Clevered will actually help us through and beyond our journey of the Codathon. We can visit www.clevered.com to know more about it.
Great.